Hey, come here. I got a fresh piece of redwood and I want to test the scorch marker on it. We're just gonna do it really quick. Let's go with gratitude. Why not? That seems like a good word for today. Okay, let's see if this works. I have a feeling that redwood is just gonna be awesome with the scorch marker. Oh, it dried it really fast. It's actually working really well. I think it's because there's no sap in the wood. Hey, not bad. That looks really great. Hey, you know what? Let's put some wood finish on it. Okay, it's gonna be a little messy. Oh, oh my gosh. Holy crap. Guys, I think we found a winner when it comes to wood. Redwood is beautiful. What a gorgeous piece of wood.